Welcome, dear friend, to this soothing sleep meditation. Find a cozy spot, whether it's your soft bed or a favorite resting place. Take a moment to settle in, allowing your body to relax into this safe place. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth. Letting go of the day's worries. Let's do it again. Breathe in deeply. Filling yourself with calm and release all that tension. Feel your body begin to soften with each breath. Let go of any tightness in your shoulders, your neck, and your back. Picture each exhale carrying away the stress like leaves floating down a peaceful stream. Now, let's bring our focus to your feet. Feel them relax. Now, your legs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your arms, your hands, your neck, and finally your face. Let every muscle in your face loosen and gently soften. Imagine a warm, gentle wave of light starting at the top of your head and slowly flowing down your body. This light brings you calm, comfort, and a deep sense of rest. It's your guide into a peaceful sleep. Washing away any lingering tension. You are safe. You are calm. You are at peace. You are safe. You are calm. You are at peace. Allow your breath to become slower and softer. There is nothing you need to do right now. No place you need to be. Just this moment. This breath. This beautiful peace. As you continue to relax, notice how your mind gently slows down. Thoughts may drift in and out. Embrace them. Then let them float away like clouds in the sky. Whenever you need to return to your breath, it's always there for you. This is your sanctuary, your safe place. Now, give yourself permission to drift off. You are supported. You are loved. You are enough. Sleep well, dear friend, and good night.